What the fuck? You played.
This not a lie drill, nigga. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This the real thing.
Y'all know what it is, man. Back with another one like I promised y'all, man. The second video. Y'all came through with the 300 subscribers, so I had to come through on my part of the bargain.
Appreciate y'all.
You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. Look who I got with me, man. You know what it is, Mr. Bust Down, Mr. 448.
Yeah.
For y'all, we ain't doing conspiracy theories on this one. We doing doorbell ring cameras. Y'all hear that? That's a notification. I hope that somebody subscribing. You know what I'm saying?
First of all, before you even started, you laying in your bed, right? You on the 3rd floor apartment. The phone vibrates just like that. Ding! Ring. You open that bit. Police is at your door like this. What you doing? Going out the window? Are you prepared to jump out the 3rd story window? Because they don't
Straight
think you're
to the
going to
floor?
do it.
Straight to the floor?
It's a little bushes in there.
I'm jumping. If there's any bushes,
Any
I'm jumping.
bushes?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm jumping. It was in the house?
If it's grass, you jumping?
Yeah, I'm jumping. 3 stories?
Yeah.
Police at the door?
Like that.
Life sentence in the house?
Guns.
Life sentence in the house?
A war.
Fuck these
Yeah,
ladies.
you see the kind of
Fuck
guns
these
they got?
ladies.
Look.
Fuck these ladies.
We gonna slide in the retention point. Alright.
Well, not like that. I gotta go with a fight. I just can't do it.
Sure. Oh no. The key ain't work.
No, the key word.
Oh. He would have got me.
Fam. Imagine you come out the bathroom from brushing your teeth and the police open your door. Come here. Hey.
Yeah, like.
Bring your dumb ass here.
Stop. Don't move,
don't
bitch.
you fucking move. You like that. Don't go into that. Don't you run in that goddamn room, boy. I'm telling you.
We will shoot. I will pop your ass. Boy, what?
Boy, hell no. Fuck
so
that.
What the hell? Who are you? Dad? I'm in the program.
He in the program. No, for real. My door is closed and locked at all times.
Fair. Ain't no like. So what you do in that spot? Like you come around the corner here in your house. What you do?
Shoot.
Fam, you're not gonna come around the corner with a gun.
Fam, if she just caught, she screamed and said, "Get the fuck out my house." You not coming around the corner with a gun?
You don't got time. What if you don't got time to grab it? What if I'm in your living room and you come around and you ain't got no gun? And I'm just trying to wash my hands.
So me, I got my 40 when I'm sitting on the floor. I know that hard to get your ass hit. Bro, okay, I ain't gonna lie. We gonna jump you though, homeboy. You can't. That's, bro. First of all, my door is closed and locked at all times, like I said. Second of all, bro, you gotta pay, bro.
Right.
I don't care, prank or not, bro. We gotta get on your ass, paying or something.
I'm gonna be blitzed up though. So when
That's why I'm coming like Rambo.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
Ooh, them some bad boys right there. Some bad
Better have that
boys
Second
right there.
Amendment ready.
8:30.
and these motherfuckers parked
In the driveway.
Hey, bruh, that's the way a motherfucker do it though, cause it look like you live there or you
Right.
supposed to be there.
Right.
So and then you come right out the house, even if you get caught moving, so it look like you moving out or
Right.
something like that. But like, fam, what's crazy to me is like, what kind of neighbors you gotta have to let a motherfucker get off on you like that? Bro, I'm telling you, I come home, bro, and all my stuff missing out, and you face my, I'm going right over your.
Where were you?
Approximately around
Hey,
these times.
you back dope be gotta be, bro.
Had to. Or
Cause how
was
you
in on
ain't
it.
see this, bro?
Or you turn your head or something.
What the fuck are you doing coming to my house? Leave my way at home. You don't walk in my fucking house. I thought this was an apartment, bro. It's not an apartment. Stay the fuck out. You walk in the fucking front door again, I have a right to kill you. Better get the fuck out of here.
Let me tell you what I hate though. I hate when somebody like, all right, you snap, right? You probably was more scared than him.
Right.
So then once you get him out the house and he on the sidewalk, like he know that he really don't want no problem.
Right.
So now you get really like,
Right.
yeah. You, come back over here. You know I got a right to kill you.
Yeah.
Shut the
Knock your ass.
I turn back around and be like, hey, stop playing me if I go back in there. Have a seat on the couch. What's crazy is that, like, for all houses now, it's mandatory that you have to have a camera. Because there's no telling who, why, for what reason a motherfucker. It's like, as the times change and the drugs get stronger, people just do the most brazen, random shit ever. Like,
Got to have security. Security. Like, bro.
Why are you by my door? Get away from my door. Hey, bro, the police coming. Might as well get up out of here.
That's handy.
I swear. Definitely handy. Hey, you might as well go and get up out of here. Police coming.
They on their way.
They is on their way.
I
You
called
going to
first
jail. Pump.
Hello. Hey. How are you? Hey, back up. Yes, son.
You told my head back up.
Back up. Get off my brother. Back up. Sir, I did. You have a gun with you? Jesus Christ.
But these drugs got these people tweaking out, man.
Fam. He told my back up. He sounded like he said, you got a gun on you?
That's what I thought I heard, bro. I would be real. But
He was
I ain't
like,
want
God,
to jump
Jesus.
the gun, bro.
In Ohio.
Are you okay, baby? Get in the house, honey. Get in the house.
Yeah. Better close that door, Mom.
What the fuck?
Como pasó? Oh, vamos. Don't scare, don't.
You played.
Okay. Como pasó? Oh, vamos. Don't scare, don't.
He told me don't scream. What this nigga?
Okay. So I'm saying when you go through like, damn, I'm finna start my career as a criminal, right? What is like, okay, 101. When I go on a robbery, what are the things that I should have?
First one.
The first one. Tell me what you think. What you think?
Mask maybe? What?
1A, 1B is mask and gloves. 1A, 1B What do niggas go to jail for? DNA, fingerprints, somebody identifying you.
Cam. We ain't coming like this.
Hey, this me. Just like I'm right here. That's him. That's him right there. Like this me. This me. Hey, homeboy, he probably ain't gonna go, but
Yeah.
you know, but me,
He gon' tell though.
oh, and no
He the
bug.
second one.
Oh, you
He the second one in. He wasn't even on that. He just like, bruh.
see, he ran from all the way back there. Oh, he
Right.
got in for real.
Oh. That's like a female. Any female can kick my door off the hinges.
I don't want nobody to love me that much.
Smoke.
I don't want nobody to love me that much. I don't.
Man.
Off the hinges. I'm talking about fam. First of all, I want to know what kind of daughter it is. I ain't gonna lie. She was kicking that bitch hella hard. That bitch was standing up in the paint now. But god damn, she got some legs on her because she was rocking that bitch.
He forgot I have access to the Ring camera.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm in front of my own house. I'm installing a door. What the hell's going on? I'm installing my door. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm in front of my own house installing this. I don't know how.
James, there's somebody at our house.
No, it's not.
He do I know it's not.
Hello?
Yes, I'm not at your house. I'm at my house. I don't know how your camera is connected to my doorbell. I was just trying to set it up.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property now.
I'm not on your property, ma'am.
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm not in front of your house. Can you see what I'm pointing at?
Jeez.
James! There's a black man in our
Oh my lamb.
Sir? Sir!
Yes.
Bruh, James need to hurry his
I'm
ass
gonna
up.
need you to get off my property.
I'm not on your property.
What's your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Can you see what I'm doing? Do you see this?
No.
This is what I'm doing. This is me standing here. This is not your property, ma'am. I don't know how your Ring doorbell is connected to mine. I'm trying to figure it out. But I'm not at your house. I'm at my own property. See? Can you see?
Royal, you are... Royal.
Fuck are you connected to this? Oh, that's a black man in my How you can okay, I put the same one back up.
God.
Mario,
Yeah.
it's me.
How the fuck are you on here?
Bro, I'm like, how she don't know her house?
Yeah,
bro?
I'm like, yo.
Bye. Bye.
No, like what the fuck? Why would you play with me like that?
He about scared.
What?
But he like, bro, I'm home, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, they had me. They had me. They had me. I ain't gonna lie. They had me, fam. That was funny. I ain't gonna lie. She got all us.
What do you want?
I don't really know where my house. I know where my house is, and I have an address, but I'm kind of lost. And like, I have a rash on me, so I can't walk far.
You need to leave the property.
Okay.
What they gotta do with me?
I don't give a fuck. Get rash? You don't get your. Where you was finna go with that? Man, what the fuck?
Not gonna
Man,
lie,
you ain't finna come to my house with that rash. You ain't getting
Not
the
use
animal.
my
No,
phone,
you need to go on my
nah.
property. What the hell?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Never mind.
Bro, mask, gloves.
Fam, fuck that. The fact that he's like,
Oh,
you heard that? Never mind.
they ain't even look
That's
at
right.
each other.
It was like, yeah, it's great. It most definitely
They
is
keep
great.
it.
Oh, hey, just have a really nice question to ask you guys. I'm downstairs with my neighbor. We're trying to visit all morning long. All we're hearing is, can you keep it quiet? Yeah, please.
Why is you banging on my door like this?
Yeah, if you thought that was funny, it wasn't. If you want us to call the cops and report you for noise ordinance, because this goes on 24/7.
I have a toddler.
That's
You can
what
call
we'll
the
do.
police all you like because you guys
Keep
stay
it
on my
quiet.
computer all the time. So go ahead and call the police so we can report it right back. I have a
Go right ahead.
call the cops
Go
yourself.
right ahead. We have the right to live in a peaceful community, and you're
Go
out
ahead.
here
Go
banging
call the
around
cops.
24/7.
You have kids who live there. If you don't like it, buy a house. I live in an apartment downstairs.
Alright.
Hi. We'll be right there.
Stay your dumb ass there you want to.
Alright.
You live right there in my head.
on? Hello?
I got the wrong house.
Didn't see this footage until I finished my pizza.
What?
You going straight to corporate.
I'm finna beat that boy ass about my food. What? Corporate my ass. When I catch him, I'm finna order another
Order-
pizza. As soon as he catch me right back around, I'm finna spank that boy.
Order a pizza for days.
Straight,
Look at me.
man, straight belt the ass.
I know. You can count your days. Count your motherfucking days. This is day motherfucking 14. Okay? Because tomorrow's going to be 13, 12, 11, 10. Yes, this is my 2 weeks notice. If you haven't, can't tell. But ain't no way in hell I got to do the cha-cha slide to get in and out of here. Okay? Why the me this many boxes. That's what I don't understand. Then y'all upset. Y'all texting my phone. Talk about, where are you at? Why are you behind? Oh, because I can't find the box that I need, sirs. I can't find the box that I need because I got 900 boxes in this motherfucker. Like I'm playing motherfucking Tetris. The fuck? Half of this shit damn cat litter. Who orders cat litter? Like, you don't take your ass to the motherfucking stove. Pick that shit up on the dolly. You know how heavy cat litter is? 300 pounds. Shit. Got the nerve to be texting my phone. Talking about some, where are you at? Bitch, stuck in the back of the damn truck. That's where the fuck I'm at. You want to come fucking help? That's what I'm fucking like.
She handling
Sitting
it.
here, searching for these damn big ass packages. They damn fucking wrong. Who the fuck? Ooh. And who the fuck told y'all to keep ordering all this Fiji water? Now, y'all take y'all ass to the motherfucking stove and get y'all some water so you can pick that shit up your motherfucking self. Shit. They need to up the delivery price on y'all asses. I bet y'all go get your own goddamn water. I still can't find this shit. Now, Woosah. Okay. I'm about to turn up in this bitch one time. Where the fuck is you at? They got a nerve to put no motherfucking bits back here. Where the circulation at back here for all these goddamn boxes? Y'all got the nerve to motherfucking be texting my motherfucking phone, asking me where the packages at. Text corporate and tell them where the bits at for the back here for these motherfucking Amazon customers. But it's okay. Y'all only got 13 more days left with me. Okay? So, do what y'all got to do. Goddamn. And see, so many boxes is starting to fuck with my mind. Whole time, it's here somewhere. I just can't find it because all these goddamn boxes got me busy. They dead wrong. How the hell you gonna get one?
Bitch, you dead wrong.
One man's job. Gotta get a label. I got a cricut machine at home. I'm gonna get a label. I'm gonna put 2 men in the motherfucking truck on the side of this. So I get some motherfucking help.
Go lie, she snapped, boy. She snapped. She did a big one, boy. That shit, that was funny.
Y'all only got 13 days left. It's over.
Man, hey, man, that was another reaction video, man, by me and my boy Jack K. So, man, y'all know the vibes, man. Oh, if I break my motherfucking mic, man, I pay too much for this shit. What are you talking about?
We out.
Peace.